Hi guys, and welcome to this week's short mid-game video tutorial. We will be continuing our discussion on sequential sacrifice. This will be part number 4. Again, this is a position reached in the game played by Xiangqi experts. A quick analysis of the game, will show that red would have 2 cannons, 2 horses, 2 chariots. Black likewise would have 2 cannons, 2 horses, 2 chariots, a full guard. Red would also have a full guard. Pawn-wise, red would have 1, 2, 3, 4 pawns versus red's 3 pawns. So red would have a slight advantage at this point in time. However, it would be black's turn to move, and he would turn the tables very brilliantly. So, how did black turn the tables? He started by sacrificing his chariot for the red cannon. And after this move was made, red would be placed in a huge dilemma. If he captured the chariot, this chariot will now be unable to guard the throat rank, and the black horse would now go for the elbow horse attack. And that is when black sacrificed yet another chariot. Basically, once this position was reached, black would win for sure. For example, if he played h4 minus 5, check, check, checkmate. If he played r2 plus 9, and black would simply deftly maneuver his cannon over here and prepare to go for the checkmate, the cross cannon checkmate. Now, if red retreated, check, checkmate. So this is quite a nice short example of a brilliant game using the sacrifice. Now this board is an example of sacrificing material to create a double attack, as can be seen with the chariot sacrifice, the black sacrificing both chariots. So let us take a look at the game from the eyes of black. Again, black opens, captures the cannon, and all hell will break loose after sacrificing yet another chariot. If h4 plus 5, check, mate. If r2 equals to 9, black will play this move, preparing to go for the checkmate. Let's say red retreated. He cannot go here anymore, but black could attack with the elbow horse and still manage a checkmate. So, I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.